guys, welcome back to our acid series. Number 13. Which of the following salts, when dissolved in water, will not give the corresponding pH value? Which of the following salts, when dissolved in water, will not... which of the following salts, when dissolved in water, will not give the corresponding pH value? Number 13. I'd like us to jot this down, please. Strong acid and strong base, pH value equals 7. Number 2, strong acid and weak base, pH value is less than 7 because the acid is strong here. Number 3, weak acid and weak base, pH value is greater than 7. Weak acid and strong base, pH value is greater than 7. And lastly, weak acid and weak base, pH value equals 7. Now, write also, the salt from a weak acid, H2CO3, and a strong base, NaOH, produces pH value greater than 7. So number 13 is option D, which is this. So which of the following salts, when dissolved in water, will not give the corresponding value? NaHCO3. Some students might say, okay, NaHCO3, it's not H2CO3. Well, you could get H2CO3 from NaHCO3. So this NaHCO3 is a salt of a weak acid. Number 13 is option D. 14. If you also have questions about it, you could ask. We're trying to be fast here also. Which of the following is an acid salt? Which of the following is an acid salt? I'd like to come back to this number 13. Which of the following salts, when dissolved in water, if they dissolve them inside water, no will give you the corresponding pH value? This one, a normal salt, strong acid, strong base, equals 7. This one, H2SO4, now from strong acid, so the pH could be less than 7. This one, Na2CO3. This one, Na2CO3. This one now from weak acid go give you a pH greater than 7. Strong base. This number option C here now from HCl, it go dey equals to 7. While this one, NaHCO3, similar to this option B and option D, what will it give you? It's supposed to also give you pH greater than 7, but here it's giving you pH less than 7. So the correct answer will be option D. Number 14, which of the following is an acid salt? Option A is an acid salt. NaHSO4 is an acid salt. Jot this point down. Types of salts. Salt. Normal salts are ionizable. Normal salt possesses ionizable hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion is written H, then you put a plus at the top. Normal salt produces ionizable hydrogen ions and they are replaced by metals. Example, sodium chloride, K2CO3, Ca open bracket PO4 close bracket 2, Na2SO4 and Na2S. These are normal salts. Number 2, acid salts. Not all hydrogen ions are replaced. Acid salts are salts whereby not all the hydrogen ions are replaced. This is due to using insufficient base to neutralize the acid. Example, NaHCO3. That's the correct answer to this one. Similar to NaHSO4, acid salts. So most of these acid salts, you're going to see H in between. NaHSO4, NaHCO3. Write your notes. NaHCO3, KHSO4, also Ca, open bracket, HCO3, close bracket. These are acid salts. Number 3, basic salt. Basic salt, not all the hydrogen ion OH minus in a base is replaced at neutralization. Example, Zn open bracket OH close bracket Cl. Number 4, double salt. These are salts that use 3 types of ion, 2 positive and 1 negative ion. Examples of this: K potassium, Al aluminium, open bracket SO4 close bracket 2. Where K equals K plus at the top, A equals Al3 plus, and 2 SO4 2 minus. These are called double salt. Number 5, complex salt. Complex salt contains complex ion. Examples of complex salt: K3Fe open bracket Cn close bracket 6. Next, Cu open bracket NH3 close bracket 4. Then close another bracket again, Cl2. These are complex salts. So number 14, they say which of the following is an acid salt? Option A is an acid. Option A is definitely an acid salt. 15, in which of the following are the aqueous solution of each of the substance correctly arranged in order of decreasing acidity? Decreasing acidity, let me see, is option C, hydrogen chloride. This one is more acidic. Then ethanoic acid is a weak acid, don't forget. C, CH3 COOH, that's ethanoic acid. CH3COOH. So hydrochloric acid, ethanoic acid, sodium chloride is a salt, milk of magnesia is basic in nature, while the last one, sodium hydroxide, is also basic in nature. So milk of magnesia, right? Milk of magnesia is the chemical formula for it is Mg open bracket OH close bracket 2. Number 15 is option C, order of decreasing acidity or acidic value. Number 16, the basicity of tetraoxophosphate 5 acid is, I would like us to write this down. Basicity of an acid is the number of ionizable replaceable hydrogen ion contained in one molecule of the acid. Examples: HCl equals 1, basicity equals HCl equals 1. So the basicity of HCl is 1. So you call it monobasic. So HCl equals 1 equals monobasic. Next, number 2. HNO3 equals 1. HNO3 equals 1 equals monobasic. H2CO3 equals 2 equals diabasic. H2SO4 equals 2 equals diabasic. H2S equals 2 equals diabasic. H3PO6 equals 3 tribasic. H3PO4 equals 3 tribasic. CH3COOH equals 1 monobasic. That one I just called now is called ethanoic acid. It is monobasic in nature, no forget. So number 16, the basicity of tetraoxophosphate 5 acid, you could see it is option D, it is 3. Number 7, the best treatment for a student who accidentally poured concentrated tetraoxophosphate 6 on his skin in the lab is to wash it with, a lot of students get this wrong, to wash it with cold water. This is because dilution increases the pH value of an acid, hence it reduces its acidity and by extension its potency. So dilution, you use water. Some students will say, most past question will say sodium triacarbonate 4 solution, no, water. 18, which of the following dilute soft solution has the lowest pH? Which of the following dilute solution will have the lowest pH? Let's see, 18, right? Calcium triacarbonate 4, sodium triacarbonate 4, hydrogen chloride. 18 is option C, hydrochloric acid followed by ethanoic acid. Right, ethanoic acid chemical formula equals CH3COOH. 19, which of the following is aqueous solution? Which of the following in aqueous solution is neutral to litmus? Number 19 is option D. Sodium chloride is neutral to litmus, okay? Because it is gotten from a strong acid and a strong base. Never you forget that one. 20. Which of the following substances is basic salt? Notice anyone will get OH. See number option B. See this one get OH. This one they call them basic salt. This one a normal salt. Which other one again? I'll try to lose.